Hey everyone, it's Dee here from CoinKite. Have you ever wondered how to destroy or wipe your seed from your device? Well, let me show you. Once signed in, go down to Advanced Tools and select Danger Zone. From here, you're going to select Seed Functions and then select Destroy Seed. The device will ask you, are you sure? And if so, press Enter. The device will ask you, but are you really sure? And if you're really sure, press 4. Now your seed will be wiped from the device. The device will then reboot and you'll have to re-enter your PIN. Great! No seed words are set, and now you have the option to re-import or generate a new seed. Thanks for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, go to coinkite.com.